Welcome to my recipe diary. Today we're making sweet, savory, and incredibly delicious honey garlic chicken. It has a rich, sticky glaze that's perfect for any dinner table. For this recipe, you'll need chicken, garlic, honey, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking oil, water, black pepper, salt, sesame seeds, and fresh spring onions.
Heat the oil, then cook the chicken until beautifully golden. Add butter for extra richness, and continue cooking until the chicken is tender and lightly caramelized.
Sauté the garlic until fragrant. Then stir in the honey, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Add the cornflour slurry, and cook until the sauce becomes thick.
Coat every piece of chicken in the rich honey garlic glaze until perfectly covered. Plate with fluffy rice, then finish with sesame seeds and fresh spring onions for the perfect finishing touch.
This sticky honey garlic chicken is sweet, savory, and bursting with flavor. Subscribe to my recipe diary for more easy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!